Hi, I'm Dipesh Bhaktani. I'm the Executive Director of JC Homes. We are a 50-year-old company. We finished 5 decades in this business. It was a business started by my grandfather in 1965, and then carried on by my father. And then it's me and my brother, Mr. Mukesh, who's carrying on this business. And we've successfully completed around 250 to 300 projects in Mumbai and around Mumbai. And we have a lot coming on the platter very soon. The future is quite exciting, I would say. Looking at the times today, I think there's a lot of exciting things that are happening. The government is looking to support the real estate sector after a long time. I think it's not happened ever, but we have a very dynamic chief minister and dynamic chief secretary who are actually looking forward to making this industry grow much faster. So it's an exciting time. We are looking at more development, more easier norms, and as soon as easier norms will come in, easier funding will come in, and with that I can see that the real estate will really grow. Apart from us, since we've been in this line for a long time, we look to go on contributing in this line for as long as we can. We are concentrating more on affordable housing, which is the need of the hour. The Chief Minister has promised the people of Maharashtra that there are going to be 3 lakh homes, and we as developers have committed ourselves to be a part of it. So we at JC Homes is also looking at contributing as much as we can in delivering those 3 lakh homes. So we are very excited about this time. Mumbai overall in the present scenario has become a little unaffordable, a little expensive, but that is also because of the recent policies. I think those policies are set to change, and that will probably get the prices down. But the most lucrative places to buy today are, I would say, Chembur, because of the connectivity. So wherever connectivity is good, there is a nice place to buy. Again, the western suburbs is fine because we are getting the metro, we are getting the corridor coming out there. We also have the Bandra and Monk Road connectivity of metro that's going to start. So all these patches are probably the most lucrative as of now. But today, if you want to buy and you're looking at prices in mind, I think the entire MMR, I would not look at it only as Mumbai. The entire MMR, the Mira Bhayandar region, the Kalyan Dombivli region, and Thane region, even Bhiwandi that's coming up, those are the most lucrative places. So we have 5 major projects coming up. One is in Dahisar, it's an SRA, and we're going to be building a 40 plus story tower out there. We are again keeping affordable housing in mind. We are planning 1 and 2 BHKs. We also have Kanjurmarg, Mira Road, and 2 projects in Powai. So these are the key projects that we're going to be concentrating in the next quarter. So the next 3 years is going to be focusing on this, and there are 3 major projects for this company. So our entire concentration is on it. We were normally known as developers who build a lot of luxury. So I think today it's almost become a norm that most of the amenities that we used to provide, like an Italian flooring, good fittings in the bathroom, and all this, I think, become a standard norm. What we are trying to do is now head towards smart homes. I think that is what is the next step towards home buyers. That's something that they really look forward to. So and open spaces as much as we can provide. I know Mumbai is very difficult to give open spaces, but looking at the layouts that we are building, I think what we are really looking at is giving a lot of green amenities and a lot of open spaces where they can have their day-to-day lives sorted within that complex. So that is one, and within the flats, yes, smart homes is something that can be very convenient. We have couples who are working, the man is working, the wife is working, so there is not enough time for them to really maintain the house. What they can do is probably by just their own gadget or their mobile phones, they can actually run their house. So that's what we are concentrating on. So, I mean, there are two aspects to it. One is that I just said that smart homes is something that we are providing. This is with today's competition, with today's needs. The world is shifting towards technology. Everything is going on your cell phone. The cell phone is not just a phone anymore. It's almost a lifeline. You heavily depend on it. Whereas, and the other part is the construction technologies that we are using to actually build our construction and make things faster. So we've heard of stories which are true, of 100 stories building being built in China and other places just within few months. So that is a technology that we are also exploring. There is still a mindset of Indians where they like to see concrete. When they see concrete, they feel this is the house. They still don't believe in steel structures, which is being used in malls. So we are looking at those kind of technologies which we can adapt to, we can construct faster. And yes, whatever amenities with today's times, we have to keep moving ahead with time. Technology is really taking things much faster. So whatever with the time is required, we're going to change those product. Today's are challenging times, really, for a developer. We see a lot of things that are happening across India. Uh, there is a lot of negativity regarding the entire sector. The brand of the developer, the image of the developer has taken a beating over the years. So to be a successful developer, to be a developer itself, I think the first thing is that we need to really keep high level of communication with your buyers, high level of communication with all stakeholders of the industry, take everybody together and move forward. And also, timely delivery is important. There's no point of over committing. We need to learn that we need to undercommit. The profit margins are not as high as it used to be. We need to undercommit, probably deliver more. We need to deliver on time. And yes, the communication with every stakeholder of your company, that's your consumers, that's your suppliers, purchasers, anybody, we need to keep high level communication. If all that is there and a vision, obviously, you need to really enjoy delivering homes. I feel very passionate when somebody tells me that he lives in a product created by JC Homes. So we really need to have that kind of passion. And if all these kind of features or these key points are kept in mind, then you can definitely be a successful developer.